Visualizing and representing numbers from 0 to 100. 2. Counting the number of objects in a given set by ones and tens. 6. 3. Identifying number that is one more, one less from a given number 11. 4. Composing and decomposing numbers 15. 5. Regrouping sets 18. 6. Less than, more than, as many as 24. 7. Ordering sets 29. 8. Counting by 2s, 5s, and 10s. 9. Reading and writing numbers 37. 10 place value 41. 11. Expanded form with tens and ones 45. 12. Compounding numbers use relation symbols 48. 13. Arranging numbers 52. 14. Ordinal numbers 56. 15. Writes and reads ordinal numbers 60. Philippine money 64. Comparing money 68. Chapter 2. Addition of whole numbers 1. Joining sets 74. 2. Order and zero property of addition 80. 3. Adding two one-digit numbers using appropriate mathematical techniques. 85. 4. Adding three one-digit numbers using grouping property of addition.